Susie, why are you sitting here alone in the dark?
I'm thinking.
What can you think about in the dark? There are bed monsters everywhere.
Monsters can wait. Tell me, Sammy, when was the last time you looked at the stars?
What?
I've been thinking that Van Gogh was so lucky.
Did he have an awesome slime friend too?
No, silly. I'm talking about the Starry Night.
This time I've got an idea. I'm sure you'll like it. Ta-da! Here's my surprise for you, Susie.
Oh, Sammy, you found our Perler beads? You surprised me for real, and I've been wondering where it disappeared after our last craft. Guys, hello everyone. Remember when we participated in a 100,000 beads challenge with Sammy?
Yes, Susie, I remember my idea impressed you a lot that time. I hope for the same effect today.
What? What are you talking about, Sammy?
Well, you were talking about the Starry Night and stuff. Let's create our Starry Night with Perler beads.
Oh, Sammy, that's genius. I'm no Van Gogh, but it's worth trying.
What if instead of a starry night, we make a whole starry world or a galaxy? A long time ago, in a galaxy far, far away.
Since we're creating the night, we started with the darkest color beads.
Interesting. Yeah, I see. Well, black is good.
It seems to me there is no but.
We won't make the whole picture black, will we?
No, we won't. Have you ever seen Van Gogh's painting?
Yeah.
Sammy, go see it and I'll continue here.
I'll just, take a look to brush up on the painting. Be right back.
All right.
So, I think...
Oh, Sammy, sorry, that's my cell phone. Just a moment.
She didn't even let me finish. Van Gogh had additional colors in his painting. I think I'll add them. That's better. Guys, give a thumbs up if you like my greatest creation. Oh, she's coming back!
So, what did I miss? What? Sammy, what did you do, you naughty slime?
Why naughty? I'm creative. That should be the Starry Night, and you only had the night.
Don't worry, we'll get to the starry part soon. There we go. This way.
Hey, look, something's shaping up little by little. By the way, what exactly is that?
Oh, that's a cypress. It was growing right in front of Van Gogh's window. The great artist created several similar paintings. Actually, the Starry Night is a part of 2 series of his paintings. One series was about the view from his window in different times of day. The other series included his night landscapes. Sammy!
Soon your fangs I dozed off. You were telling very interesting facts. Go on.
None taken, Sammy. I totally understand. Not everybody has an exquisite taste for the arts.
Are you saying that I don't have taste? Do you even know how many things I've tasted in my life? Oh, I guess I'm hungry. I'm gonna go find something really tasty.
As you wish, Sammy. As you wish. Even if right now we're going to work on stars. Huh. I said I'm starting to work on stars, Sammy. No? Guess Sammy loves food more than art. What happened? I'm gonna go check on Sammy. Sam, you alright?
Sorry I frightened you, Susie. That pan fell by itself, I swear.
That's okay, Sammy. The main thing is that you're safe. Whoa, what happened here? We were gone for just a few minutes.
Oh, what a mess! Who did this? It wasn't me, that's for sure. This is a case for Detective Sam. I'm sure the intruder left a trail. I'm gonna find him.
I don't see the tweezers. Where could they disappear to?
I guess I got it. I'm gonna bring your tweezers back.
Well, that won't do. We should quickly clean up this mess. Voila! Great, that's better.
Here are your tweezers, Susie.
Thanks, Detective. I can't believe it was Fluffy's work. Well, whatever.
You're no slouch too, as I can see, Sue. Now you're officially a junior assistant detective. I subscribe. Approve.
Oh, what an honor. Thank you, Sammy. There we go. Guys, this work requires patience and accuracy. This process is actually quite meditative, I should say. There.
Wow, so beautiful. Sue, what kind of painters are there? I mean, according to their style of painting.
There are portraitists, those who paint portraits of people, and also animal painters. They paint animals.
Aha! And what kind of painter was Van Gogh?
He was a post-impressionist, Sammy. Why?
I drew something while you were busy with the puzzle. Wanna see?
Oh, sure, let's see.
Well, what do you say? Does it look like the post-impressionist painting?
Oh, well, it definitely makes an impression.
I'm watching you looking at my painting and I'm thinking, will I and my paintings be remembered and loved as long as Van Gogh's?
Sure, Sammy, you're one of a kind. Well, there are so many painters. Am I right, guys? Sammy's exceptional. Give him a thumbs up.
Thank you, Susie. You're making me blush. And when I feel this way, I want to eat. Where are my jellies?
Oh, Sammy.
Sue, wait! Is this the biggest star in the painting?
You know, Sammy, there's a chance that's not even a star.
What is it then? Kinda looks like other stars.
Maybe it's Venus.
Whoa, a planet!
Yes, the scientists found out that Venus was very close to the Earth when Van Gogh was painting his picture. It was very bright.
Wow, cool. So that's the starry planetary night.
Kinda.
Sue, let's finally get this finished.
Sure, Sammy. And done! It took us a while, but it was very entertaining.
Awesome! Oh, Sue, how long was I gone?
Long enough for me to finish the picture. I've got a more important question. How many jellies did you eat in this time?
Don't count my sweet Sue. You'd better iron the puzzle.
As you wish, Sammy. Anything to make you calm.
I'm just a bit worried that this beauty can simply get ruined.
You shouldn't worry at this stage. While the picture's on a base layer, it won't get ruined. But there's one thing.
Yeah?
That's a mirror reflection of our picture. We need to turn it upside down. We can do that only after fixing the beads with an iron.
Be very careful with the iron, guys. It's very hot and rather heavy.
Sammy's right, guys. You better ask an adult to help you at this stage of the craft. This way. Be very careful. Well, are you ready? Whoosh! Guys, it came out so awesome! The picture's so flexible. Check it out. I love it.
Well, what can I say? Yeah, it's not identical, but very close to the original painting.
A craft like this can be a great gift. It's always a pleasure to make something incredible with your own hands. Tell your friends about Perler beads and make your favorite painting at home.
Oh, I'd like to see your creations. We'll definitely make new cool crafts and show them to you on our channel.
Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button. See ya!